What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We have a really exciting video today. I recently had a company reach out to me saying they enjoyed my content and think it was perfect for the products that they sell and enforce. They wanted to know if they could send me some products and I could review them, unbox them, and potentially even do a giveaway for them. And make sure to stay towards the end of the video. I have some really cool stuff coming up. I have an announcement at the end of the video that will benefit one of you in a very, very big way. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's get into the product that I was sent. Maxpeedingrods recently reached out to me on Instagram saying they would love to send me a turbo within only just a couple of days. I'd say 4 to 5 days. The turbo came in, it is massive. I haven't opened it yet. I'm super excited. I've never had like an external turbo, just laying around. So we're gonna get this thing open. Huge thank you to Maxpeedingrods. Let's get this turbo open and let's check it out. I need a knife. Where's the knife? Spotted! Now the turbo that I ordered, or I had them sent to me, is a GT3582. It is good for about 600 horsepower. While these turbos are known to be cheap and not very expensive, I have heard many good things about them. I've seen tons of reviews. I have tons of stats on the turbo that I will be giving you guys. But I'm excited. Let's just open this. Some nice cardboard. You already know. Oh my gosh. So for starters, it just comes with a little bit of foam just to protect it. Wow. This thing is huge. This is what I'm currently looking at. This thing is massive. This is a setup that it comes in. It comes in this bag, and then it's got some protection, some foam, and then a cardboard too. So wrapped very professionally. Definitely doesn't come off as a cheap turbo. Let's get it out. Let's take a better look at it. Oh, she's heavy, that's for sure. Some other stuff that comes in the box, it comes with some instructions, comes with a nice sticker, haha, score. Some gaskets for the exhaust housing and the side that connects to the manifold. You have another gasket as well for the oil return line, which is very nice. They send you gaskets, so you don't have to go to AutoZone or whatever and try and find those. So that's really nice. Now this turbo usually runs for about $240, I believe. It comes in two versions. There's the standard version and the street version. This is the street version. The street version comes with material that's able to handle a lot higher temperatures. I believe this is able to handle up to 1,000 degrees Celsius, which to my understanding is maybe like 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna fact check that. I'm not sure on that. It smells like a brand new turbo. Not that I necessarily know what that smells like. It smells good. Doesn't smell used. Wow, dude. Holy crap, this thing is massive. I'll let you guys get the first look. It's on fire. Oh, damn! Holy shit. Now, there are many really cool things about this turbo. They make it even seem like it wouldn't even be that cheap of a turbo. The turbo comes with a billet aluminum compressor wheel, comes with that anti-surge housing, that's what those holes on the front are. The material itself is Z0104 aluminum. This makes it so that the turbo handles corrosion resistance, and it also makes it very weldable. The turbo comes with the fittings to hook up your external wastegate hoses too. This turbo is rated to be good for engines from cylinders from 4 to 8, so really a good variety of, the amount of engines that are out there from cylinders 4 to 8. The turbo is capable of making up to 600 horsepower. That is phenomenal for a turbo of this price. This is a journal bearing turbo. It is not a ball bearing turbo. The turbo also does come water cooled, so the standard version of this turbo does not, but the sport version does. Once again, this is the sport version, so this does come water cooled if you do so desire. Comes with the oil feed and the oil return holes. Does not come with the hoses or the fittings, but I do have the fittings and the requirements that it requires. The exhaust housing is a 3-inch bolt flange. This turbo is capable of handling up to 1,000 degrees Celsius or 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. I think I said 1,500 a little while ago, but 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. The oil feed holes uses a 7/16 by 24 4AN oil feed line, a 10 AN oil return flange, and 10 AN return hoses for the oil fitting. The water line fittings are M14 by 1.5 to a 6 AN fitting. You do need 2 of those. And the exhaust flange, you will need a 3-inch 4-bolt V-band adapter. Other than that, that should be just about what this turbo requires. Other than piping for intercoolers, manifold, all that stuff. Obviously it does not come with that, but it does come with a lot of the gaskets that you need. including a sticker, so that's always fun. Now, if you stayed to the end of the video, I did promise you at the beginning that there is a big announcement coming for the channel. Maxpeedingrods was very nice, very generous to send this turbo to me. Well, I'm not going to be putting it on my own STI as some of you may want. I'm actually giving it away to one of you guys. We're getting pretty close to 1,000 subscribers. We're a little more than 200 away. As soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving this turbo away to one of you. I have some ideas on how you will be entered to win it. I'm not going to disclose that just yet, but I will say it'll be an awesome turbo for one of you guys to win, and hopefully in the future they can send me another one and we can throw it on a project of mine. I do have one more announcement. I made clothes. To enter the giveaway, it will have something to do with buying something from the website. Now, I don't have a website made up yet, but I did make a shirt and a hoodie to test out the quality, because I wouldn't want to send you guys some crap material of a shirt that no one wants to wear. So this is very high quality. This is cotton. It is very nice and soft cotton. This is the back, the front, and then we have a hoodie as well. Now, by the time I hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll have more stuff on the website. But if you guys are interested, this will be available someday soon. Once I get through this season and I graduate, the website will be up and you guys can purchase this stuff. And to enter the giveaway for the turbo, it will require purchasing something. Thank you guys so much for all the support. The fact that I was sent a turbo like this is all thanks to you guys. It would never have happened if it weren't for you guys and your support. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it a lot. I will see you guys in the next video.